Looking for a reliable commercial roofing contractor in Greenwood, Indiana can take a lot of time. Luckily, Raptor Restoration specializes in all types of commercial roofing systems. We handle everything from roofing and re-roofing to repairing low-slope and high-pitched commercial roofs. Every project is manageable for our experienced team. We understand how important a sturdy roof is for your business. That's why we prioritize fast, efficient service to keep your operations running smoothly. Our expert roofing contractors have covered you whether you face storm damage or general wear and tear. We ensure durable and long-lasting solutions for your commercial property. We have the expertise to handle even the most challenging weather conditions, from intense heat to freezing temperatures. Your roof will be built to endure it all, giving you peace of mind. We offer comprehensive services to meet your commercial roofing needs, from inspections to complete installations. Let us help protect your property for years to come. Call us today at 317-886-0696 or visit raptorrestorationusa.com/services/commercial-roofing to schedule a consultation. At Raptor Restoration, quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction are at the forefront of everything we do. Your needs are our priority.